Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to fix no sound in Apple Maps on iPhone in iOS 15. So without wasting any time, let's start the video now. To fix this issue, firstly you will have to open the settings app on your iPhone. After opening the settings application, go to Bluetooth. Here make sure that your iPhone is not connected to Bluetooth device. Now go to back menu, swipe down to see maps and tap on it. Again swipe down and tap on spoken direction. Here you have to turn on directions with device. After that, turn on direction on radio and check it. Guys, after that, go to home screen and increase your iPhone volume. That's it. So guys, if our video has been useful to you, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.